Retake of a modded Boral Hydroware hydraulic at Westfield, Carindale. I wish I saw this original, but sadly got modded before the first YouTuber could go out and film. Blue Dewhurst US 95. Here it is. It's definitely Boral. Yeah, it's definitely a Boral. Put on an M series. Do a cap view. Lift number 1, 1,360 kilos, 19 persons. I think this is actually the first lift ever built at Carindale, but I could be wrong.
Level 1, going down. Ground floor, going up.
Door closed does not work. I really do not like it. Come on, door closed. Come on. Oh, there it goes. Look at the mirror. You can see me everywhere. I really like this lift a lot. Despite it being modded into crappy Dewhurst, well, I do like Dewhurst, but everyone else doesn't, so that's why people call it crappy.
Level 1, going down.
Door closed does not work, I already told you that. We'll go back up to level 1 and we'll finish the video there. You going up?
Yes. Yeah, we're going up.
Okay.
What's that carpet in This is a good push stop.
With who? Millie Bromley.